Have you ever wondered why some people manage to get so much done in a single day, while you always feel like you're running out of time? Promise, in this video, I'm going to share 5 small but incredibly effective morning habits that can transform your entire day, and gradually, your whole life. A morning with the right habits can transform your entire day. Drinking water, light exercise, or deep breathing fills your body with energy. Writing down a plan or reading a few pages helps your mind stay focused and less distracted. More importantly, starting the day with a positive mindset creates motivation, inspiration, and optimism, helping you work more effectively and feel happier throughout the day. The first habit I want to share with you is drinking a glass of water right after waking up. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body loses a significant amount of water through breathing and metabolism. This makes your blood thicker, slows circulation, and reduces brain focus. Drinking water in the morning is like restarting your whole system. It helps detoxify the body, activates metabolism, boosts energy burning, and cleanses the digestive tract. Medical studies show that drinking just 250 to 300 milliliters of water after waking up can improve alertness and work performance for several hours. This habit has been adopted by many successful people. Elon Musk, who often works late into the night and needs to maintain sharp focus, shared that drinking water and limiting coffee right after waking helps him stay more concentrated. Steve Jobs also emphasized the importance of a simple but effective morning, starting with recharging the body before diving into a demanding workday. Drinking a glass of water may seem small, but the consistency and discipline behind it create the foundation for energy, alertness, and mental clarity throughout the day. The second habit is this: spend at least 10 minutes doing light exercise in the morning, and you can create a noticeable change for your entire day. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, the body often feels sluggish, circulation slows down, and the brain isn't fully awake yet. Moving right after waking up, even with simple actions like stretching, walking around the house, a few yoga poses, planks, light push-ups, or a short cardio routine, helps improve blood circulation, supplies more oxygen to the brain, and wakes up your whole body. Science has proven that exercising stimulates the release of dopamine and endorphins, hormones that bring happiness, excitement, and reduce stress. That's why you don't just feel more awake, but also gain energy and a positive mindset to start your day. Many successful people around the world maintain this habit. For example, Mark Zuckerberg often begins his mornings with a run or workout with friends, believing that a healthy body is the foundation for making wise decisions at work. The truth is, you don't need much time or special equipment. Just 10 minutes of light movement each day is enough to boost focus, improve heart health, reduce sluggishness, and maintain stable energy until the end of the day. Think of your morning workout as an energy switch. Once you flip it on, you're ready to conquer any goal in life. The third habit is this: spending just 5 minutes in the morning meditating or practicing deep breathing can bring tremendous benefits for your mental health and focus. After waking up, the mind often still carries fatigue or even stress from the previous day. Sitting still, closing your eyes, focusing on your breath, and allowing the mind to quiet down is like decluttering your brain, clearing away negative thoughts and creating space for clarity. Science has shown that meditation and deep breathing reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, while increasing oxygen flow to the brain, which improves concentration and decision-making. Many successful people embrace this habit. Oprah Winfrey once shared that she always begins her mornings with a few minutes of meditation, as it gives her balance and inner peace to handle the enormous pressures of her work. Even CEOs in Silicon Valley consider meditation a secret weapon to stay sharp amid their demanding schedules. Just 5 minutes of stillness, breathing deeply, exhaling slowly, and noticing each breath can make a profound difference: a clearer mind, a lighter spirit, and a calmer heart. This is a small habit that requires no tools and little time, yet it delivers lasting value for your mental health, helping you start your day with peace and focus. The fourth habit is this: write down 3 things you are grateful for, or outline a simple plan for your day. When you wake up, your mind is often pulled into worries and work-related pressures. Taking just a few minutes to reflect on positive things, such as your health, your family, the chance to learn, or even something as simple as a beautiful morning, can nurture gratitude, create uplifting emotions, and shape a more optimistic outlook on life. Science has shown that writing down daily gratitudes can reduce stress, improve your mood, and boost your ability to handle challenges. At the same time, jotting down a short plan for the day, like the 3 most important tasks to accomplish, gives your brain clarity and focus, helping you avoid distractions. Many successful people around the world practice this habit. Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group, once shared that he always starts his mornings by writing down key ideas and important tasks, which allows him to manage an enormous workload while staying inspired. It only takes 5 minutes each morning, but the habit of writing down your gratitudes and daily plan not only nurtures positivity but also acts as a compass, guiding you through a productive and fulfilling day. The last habit I want to share is something many people struggle with, and I used to as well: grabbing your phone and scrolling through social media right after waking up. Don't do that. Instead, spend 10 to 15 minutes reading a book or listening to a short podcast. This is a powerful way to feed your brain with new knowledge, spark inspiration, and start your day in a proactive state rather than being dragged into a chaotic stream of information. Reading just a few pages of a book on skills, personal development, or even listening to a motivational podcast episode can trigger new ideas, boost creativity, and broaden your perspective. Studies have shown that regular reading improves memory, enhances focus, and effectively reduces stress. Many successful people maintain this habit. Warren Buffett once revealed that he spends up to 80% of his day reading, and this continuous habit of learning has helped him make wise investment decisions. Of course, you don't need to read for hours. Just 10 minutes each morning, done consistently, can add up to hundreds of books over the years. Podcasts are also a great choice, especially if you're busy. You can listen while preparing breakfast or commuting to work. Instead of starting your day with distractions and negative news, choose to nourish your mind with knowledge and inspiration. This small habit will gradually build a foundation of wisdom, nurture creativity, and keep you optimistic and proactive throughout the day. But let's be honest, maintaining a new habit is always the hardest part. Starting is easy, but consistency is what truly makes the difference. One of the most effective methods recommended by many experts is habit stacking. This simply means attaching a new habit to an existing one that's already firmly established in your daily life. For example, after brushing your teeth, drink a glass of water. After making your morning coffee, sit down and write 3 things you're grateful for. Or after folding your blanket, take 5 minutes to breathe mindfully. By stacking habits this way, your brain recognizes a familiar cue and naturally links it with the new action, making it easier to stick without relying too much on willpower. Another important reminder is this: you don't need to be perfect from the start. Many people give up because they believe it only counts if they can do it 100%. In reality, just starting small, really small, and sticking with it means you're already on the right path. If your goal is to exercise for 30 minutes, begin with 5 to 10. If you want to read an hour a day, start with 5 pages. By lowering the barrier, you reduce the risk of quitting and increase the chance of long-term success. Over time, you can gradually build up intensity or duration, and the habit will grow with you. Always remember, habits don't change you in a single day, but they will change you in a year. Change through habits is like water carving through rock, not through sudden force, but through steady persistence. A small action, repeated daily, compounds into results far greater than you ever imagined. So instead of waiting for motivation or chasing perfection, start today. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll discover a better version of yourself in the future. So we've just explored 5 simple but powerful morning habits: drinking water right after waking up, doing light exercise, meditating or deep breathing for 5 minutes, writing down what you're grateful for or planning your day, and reading a book or listening to a short podcast. These small habits can create big changes if you stay consistent. So, which habit will you start tomorrow? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to give me more motivation to bring you even more valuable content.